going to demonstrate some tips and possible solutions for you with the iBox shower valve. If you're under the unfortunate circumstances where your hot and cold supplies have been accidentally crossed under the floor and you have reverse supplies going to the shower valve, the issue this would cause is that the thermostat cartridge will not be able to regulate the temperature. So the first solution would be a reversing block where it reverses the supplies within the block itself. This installs between the iBox and the brass valve itself, but please bear in mind it may reduce the flow of water slightly. The next one is a reverse thermostat cartridge, which will reverse the supplies within the cartridge itself, but this is only available for shower valves that support our 98282 thermostat cartridge. The next one is reversed IDs on the escutcheon plate, but I'll go into more detail on this over here. As you can see, this is a reversing faceplate. The flow control becomes at the bottom and the thermostat becomes at the top. And to do this, you simply remove the brass block out of the iBox with the water turned off, turn it 180 degrees upside down, secure it back in place, and you put on your new reversed ID plate.